Hey guys, my name is Freedom. Today I'm going to show you how to convert these three cartoon avatar from the character creator tree CC avatar and send it to Unreal Engine 4 to make these three avatar to become my game avatar and also some of the NPC in my game. So recently I decided to use these three avatar where I also will show you how to get these three avatar. Alright, you can see on my desktop, I already have this folder. I already have this three CC avatar. You can see the file extension is the CC avatar. That is one of the format for the character creator 3.4. If you are unable to see all of this file extension, then you have to go to the view and click the option. Click the view and make sure you untick the hide extension for known file types. Alright, next, in order to get these three avatar, actually you can get it easily from marketplace, the Reallusion marketplace. Here I already provide you a short link. You just need to scroll down, go to my video description, just click into this really short link. You can link to the Reallusion marketplace. Once you click it, it is already here. And what you are going to do is you search it out. You search for Grace. You can just copy and paste this, the Grace Toon Stylized character. Copy. And you click here to search it out here. And now you should be able to see that the three results was already there. It's already there, you see. You have the Grace, right? You have the Wyatt, and you have the John as well. It all will pop out as a search result here. If you search for John, if you search for Grace, if you search for Wyatt. So the first one you see that is John, and then the Grace, and also Wyatt. You can get it for free to download it for your iClone's iContent trial version to use it, and it will just appear the watermark. Yeah, you can just play with that and save it as your animations. It doesn't matter if it have the watermark. You still can save it as your iClone project and just play it in your computer. If you really want to publish it, then you can just get it by using the export license. It is about 4,000 points. Okay, you need to get from the points. Alright, now I already get these three CC avatar in export license. What I'm going to do is open the character creators tree, that is a CC3. And then now I'm going to demo to drag in one of the avatar. This is a CC avatar. You need to drag into the character creator, replace all, and wait for a while. It is replacing the original avatar. Now, you can see the Grace is already at there. It's already in my CC3. Next, what I'm going to do is just to apply some cloth. You can just apply from here. Some shirt. I will apply this shirt. The tank top. This is just a demo. So after that, I will give this avatar a pant. Pen will be here. I love to give girls a short pant. And next, I will give her a shoes. I can check the currently used morph. Don't have any of the morph. I will give her a shoes. A blue shoes. Now next, I'm going to send this avatar to iClone first before we send it to Unreal Engine. So next step, send to iClone. Click here. In your iClone, you have to wait for a while. It is loading. Alright, now it is already finished loading. And this girl is already in iClone, this Toon girl. The next what I'm going to do is to make sure you already have the Unreal Live link, the iClone Unreal Live link, and both already installed in your Unreal Engine project, and also is already installed in your iClone. This is a plugin, Unreal Live link, iClone Unreal Live link. You can go to the video descriptions. If you don't have the Character Creator 3 or iClone, you can get it from all this link. And the most important one is the iClone Unreal Live link. Previously, I already created a tutorial to show you how to install, how to download, and how to set up the iClone Unreal Live link, both into your iClone 7 and also your Unreal Engines. If you don't know how to set up the iClone Unreal Live link, you can refer to the previous tutorial, scroll down, go to the video description, and check the video link of my tutorial. So now, if no problem with the iClone Unreal Live link, now everything is ready in my computer. So first what I need to do is open the iClone Unreal Live link and make sure I untick everything. And then check the avatar. This is Grace, you can see. Only tick the race. And then make sure your Unreal Engine project with the iClone Unreal Live link is ready and open at there already. Next, what we are going to do is, from the iClone, you click transfer file. Now it is transferring, and you always check at your Unreal Engine here. After it finishes transferring, it will appear. It will appear at here. It will automatically pop out the folder. So now you just need to wait for a while it is transferring. Now it is still transferring. Just need to be patient and wait for a while. Alright, now it already finished transfer. Finish transfer at here. So what you need to do is make sure you go to content. Go to the third person, go to the mannequin, go to content, mannequin, character, mesh, double click the UE4 mannequin skeleton. Alright, by default, here is never select anything. And here maybe you cannot see anything yet. You need to click the retarget manager and make sure you select the humanoid, and all of these are complete. After that, you click save. Make sure you change the mannequin skeleton select as the humanoid. Next, save and close. Now you want to retarget Grace and make her become the main avatar or NPC in the game. You have to click the content. And next, you have to click mannequin, the animation. You can see the third person animation blueprint is here. You right click it, retarget animation blueprints, and duplicate animation blueprint and retarget. Now, click the gray skeleton. Next, you click retarget. You can see all of these animation are retargeted here. If you double click it, you can see all of the animation already retargeted. Next, what you are going to do is rename this, the third person animation blueprint. You press F2 to rename it as, you put an underscore behind and type Grace. Next, go to the content, and then go to the mannequin. Go to the third person blueprint. Go to the blueprints, and you should be able to see a third person character here. You right click and duplicate. Next, you rename it, put an underscore, Grace. Alright. Rename it. as a third-person character grace. Next, you double-click. Once you double-click it, click the mesh, click the viewport. Now, the skeleton mesh, you change it to become grace. The animation class, you switch it to become third-person animation blueprint grace. Now, you should be able to see that it already have the animations blueprint. Now, you click compile, close. Back to the content folder. Next, we are going to change it to become change grace to become the main avatar in the game. At the same time, also make her become the NPCs. You have to click edit, click project setting, and click maps and modes. It is under the selected game mode. The default pawn class is the main avatar. You change it to become third-person character Grace. Then you close it. It automatically will save at here. Now when you play the game, you can see Grace already become the main avatar in the game. Alright, and how to make her become an NPC? You can just go to the content and third-person blueprint. The blueprint, you can just drag her out and put it anywhere. Now, I added 2 NPC of Grace. Now I just try to play. You can see there are 2 NPCs at there. And the main avatar is Grace as well. Alright, that's all for today about how to make these 3 cartoon CC avatar. Send them from CC3, from Character Creator 3 to Unreal Engine to make them become NPCs and also the main avatar in your Unreal Engine game project. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you love my video tutorial, if you feel all these tutorials are very helpful to your 3D animations, 3D modeling, and game developing, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the mini bell and select all so that when next time I publish a new video tutorial, you'll receive a notification immediately. See you in my next video. Enjoy, happy animation and game developing. See you.